Alright, I'm here at Home Depot picking up a 15 amp breaker for the Emporia Smart Home Energy Monitor System. And gonna get ready to install the unit right now at the house. Alright, I'm going to begin installation of the Emporia Smart Home Energy Monitoring System. Right here, I'm going to put one right here. I might have to punch this out. I'll put the breaker here. Here's the breaker I'm going to be putting inside. As you can see, it should fit right here. Right now I'm going to install this controller. I'm going to hook the first two sensors in these holes, and I'm going to connect the power and the antenna and the pass over to the other block for the other sensors. Here's the passover cable. Here's the other block. The cable plugs into it right here to pass over the power from the other sensors. Right now I'm going to hook up the power supply. As you can see here, let's hook up these cables. Hook this to the neutral bar on the side right there, and hook this to the breaker. Make sure the breaker's off. Go. Hooked in there, tightened up, make sure it's tight. And then I hook this to the neutral bar. Tighten it up. Sitting up here. And hook in the breaker. Make sure it's off, it's turned off, so I don't get no shock or nothing. Just getting in. Like that. The power supply hooked up. Get my voltmeter and check it. Alright, here's my voltmeter. I'm going to check the voltage from the 15 amp breaker. Set this to AC. 200 volts. One on neutral. One neutral. The other one here should be 0 voltage. Turn it on. course I don't need this because I already bought a breaker for the unit right here, so I don't need this. Now I can hook up the antenna, and this is the wire that hooks to the antenna right here, and it goes outside the box, something like this. Alright, I have a hammer and a screwdriver. I'm gonna knock this knockout out so I can put this inside the hole if it fit. Like it might not. Here we go. Go. I got the hole right here. Looks like it may be a little too big for the wire to fit through. So you got the come like this. I'm about to do something right there to make it work. All right, I'm gonna hook these sensors to the main legs input inside the house at the main breaker. These two right here, the 100 amp breaker. And make sure these are facing towards the inside. That's where the electricity is going into the loads. All right. So here we go. One right here. Okay, I got the wires unraveled so I can stretch it down. Bring them on down. Somewhere about to touching. Go around this way. Hoping not to get shocked. I know it's supposed to be turned off, but I'm confident that I might not touch it. Number one, right there. Hook two. There we go. That's how we on it. And then we wrap the wires to make it look neat. Notice I got these wrapped nice and have them going in a great path right here, and have them wrapped up so it can look neat until I start getting the other sensors hooked up. All right. Notice I have them going right here and then wrapped up right there so it can look neat as I go into here, into this block. Now I'm going to get ready to put the smaller sensors to this block here. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start putting on these small sensors on these other small wires right here on these breakers here, so I can monitor them and make sure this is facing towards the inside, towards the breaker, towards the loads. So I open this up on the first lead. Second lead. Do about getting shocked. No, I haven't got shocked yet. Yeah. So here we go. I'll start hooking the others and then so on. Alright, I got all the smaller sensors hooked up to the circuits. I want it to register and all that, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 according to this right here. Alright, I'm gonna start hooking these ends to the other bar right here from 1 to 8. I guess it doesn't matter. So this is 1 and this is to 8. So connect number 1. Here. Connect number 1. Connect number 2. And so on. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And finally, number 8. There you go, voila. Fix it. We'll go to the back. We'll put this cover on. So, alright, I'm gonna straighten these out. I'll come back. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to hook up this antenna right here and put it on the side just like that, some kind of way. I got the hole punched out already, but I got to fix something in here so it'll fit though, because it's too big for the other part to fit in the hole, as you can see. I got to fix this so this can fit on the side. Let's screw it on the wire because this is a little too big for the part that comes out right here for this to screw in, and the coaxial cable. Alright, come in through there and string it and hook it right here. And once that's done, then I'll say this is a complete install right here, and then I'll just put the stuff back in and put the plate on and close the top and see what we can do, bringing it up on the phone. Alright. Had to go to Home Depot and get this part right here so I can fit the antenna on the side because it wouldn't fit in the hole, as you can see. And we'll do this. This ring inside. And screw it on. Screw it on just like that. Nice and tight. I'm gonna stick this through there and snap it in. Snaps in now. Voila. Just like that. Screw this antenna in. Just like that. This is the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth broadcasting antenna. You pick up on your phone, tablet, computer, wherever you're using to monitor the circuit going through the circuit breaker box throughout the whole house. Pull this through back here. Alright, screw it up here. I kind of move these. Even so I can get this on there over it without it buckling out. So I pretty much got it where I want it. To turn on. There you go. Turned it on, the light's blinking, as you can see. See the light blinking. The Emporia is functioning okay. Lights are blinking. This one's blinking, as you can see. See on my phone. There you go. All set up. Okay, I got the panel back on. I'm gonna turn this on again. The Emporia Home Energy Monitor. And then we're gonna see. Alright. And then we're gonna bring it up on the phone with the Emporia Vue app on their website. So here we go. Alright, here's the final installation of the Emporia Vue Smart Home Energy Monitoring System for your house. And be sure you got to download the app for your phone so you can see how much energy you use, how much electricity you're using and saving, and throughout the day, week, month, and year. You know, it's gonna help you save money on your electric bill somehow. You know, if you have all the sensors connected right, you know. Just to let you know, this is a wonderful unit, and there are many others out there like the Sense Energy, the Effigy Elite Energy, and Hydro Home Energy, all energy monitoring systems you can purchase from Amazon, you know. But this is a great one right here. It's $99.99, while the Sense are maybe about $300, you know, if you can afford it though. But I picked this one because I think this is a great product, and to be used. It's easy to hook up to your house through the sensor clips, you know, and I think it's a great way to see how much you're spending on your electric bill and to save, you know. Here's the app that's on the phone right here, as you can see. I tap it. It's the main page. As you can see right there, you can check on the mains. You can check on all the 8 circuits going to your house, to each part of the house, and you got to name each one. You got each sensor clip to on the breakers, you know. And you can check by minute, hour, day, you know, and you can go down here, go to graph, and you can check and see how much you use, and see using something right there. I had this on about a couple of hours, you know, and you can, it's by day, by hour, by minute, it's all that, you know. It's a great product to get, everyone. You can go here and pick any circuit and see how much you're using off of it. You know, this is like just the kitchen. Like this is the kitchen. Press right here to go back, and how much your dryer is using, and go back and see your first, second, and third room, and to see how much your first, second, and third room is using, you know. And here's the graph right there. You can check by the hour, day, you know. It's all great. So I hope everyone is pleased of this product right here, and is gonna pick one up. Well, you don't have to be this one, it can be the others too that I said, like the Sense, the Effigy, and the Hydro, and there's many others too. But I think this one and the Sense are probably the best ones to get though. Oh yeah, shout going out to JW Soul in Minnesota. I hope you doing great up there and with your solar system and all that. You know, it's all great. May the solar be with you, and anybody else that's listening, you know, can get one of these. You know. Bye bye.